Module 2. Accessing your files. You can access your files stored on the school network from within the building and at home. To access your files at school, you must be logged into a computer using your assigned username and password. Follow along with me to set up your drive to be ready to save your documents and files. First, look to the desktop for the My Computer icon. You'll want to double-click on this icon. When the My Computer window opens, you'll see that there are a number of drives arranged alphabetically. There are two drives that are important to remember. The first is the H drive, which is the personal drive for students. The second is the J drive, which is where teachers will store files for classes to access. You will learn more about the J drive from your teachers as you continue through this year. For now, let's go to the H drive. Please double-click the H drive. When your H drive opens up, you will want to double-click on My Documents. You'll notice that your documents look a little different than mine. That's because I already have files and documents saved here. What you'll want to do is set up a folder for each one of your subjects. If you look to the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see that there is a menu where there is a Make a New Folder command. Click on the Make a New Folder command, and a new folder will show up within your documents. Next, you want to name your folder, so name it after one of the subjects that you're currently taking. You may need to get out your schedule in order to get all of your subjects. For example, I'm going to go ahead and make a folder for written and oral communications. When you have finished typing in the name of your class, you can click in the empty space within the window and it will finalize the folder. Repeat the Make a New Folder process to create a folder for each of your classes. Once you have created your folders within your H drive, next you can learn how to access your drive from any computer with internet access using the Lake Park portal. In order to continue, please close the My Computer window in which you have been working. To access the portal, you must first open a web browser. At Lake Park, we use Internet Explorer. Go ahead and open up Internet Explorer. Once you've opened Internet Explorer, you will want to go to our school website, which is www.lphs.org. You can use the menu on the left side of the page and click Students. Then, once you are in the Student section of the website, scroll down to the section called Technology Resources. Next, click Lake Park Portal. If you are ever trying to access the portal from home and are confused or forget this tutorial, please be sure to click on the portal instructions just below the Lake Park portal for help. Once the login screen comes up, you will want to use your school-assigned username and password to gain access. After you've entered your username and password, click Log In. You will arrive at a gray screen with icons for My Files and HAC. Yours will look a little different than mine. First, you want to click on the My Files icon. Once your login and password are received, the window will open up where you can see the drives from school. You'll want to begin by double-clicking on your H drive, which is on the left-hand side of the screen. Once you are in your H drive, you can click into Your Documents, and you will be able to access your files and folders just as if you were here at school. Once you gain access to using the J drive, you'll be able to access it in exactly the same way. Go ahead and open up one of the file folders you've created. Now I don't have any files or folders here, so I want to go ahead and make a new one. Go to the top at the Action button. When you click the Action button, You can click a new file, and then you can choose what type of file you want to create. Once you're creating the new file, you can create whatever type of file you would like. Let's say we're making a Microsoft Word 2007 document. If we actually wanted to create this document, we would put in a name, and then we would click on Create File. Once you create a file within the portal, you can continue to work and save, and it will be saved within the portal and updated automatically at school. There's no need to download these documents. In addition to adding files, you can also upload files from home into your school drive. Again, you'll want to go to the Action button, and this time you would click Upload. The next step would be to browse for the files that you would like to find. Once I click Browse, I can go ahead and check through all of the documents and files that I have in my computer. I would click on one and then choose Open. After I had clicked Open, I would click Upload, and Upload would bring the document from my personal computer to my school network drive. Since I'm not actually uploading a document, I'm going to go ahead and hit Cancel. If you have any problems using the regular upload screen, feel free to try the Advanced Uploader. It works in almost the same way, but the functionality is a little bit different, and some people find more success with one version or the other. To download a file from the Lake Park portal to your computer, you could right-click on a file and then click Download. If you were on a Mac, you would hold down Control and then just click on the file. Keep in mind you don't have to download a file from your school drive to make changes through the portal. You can make changes on the portal and have them automatically update on your drive at school. Even so, I always save my files in at least 2 places, on my computer and on the portal, to make sure that the file does not get lost if there are any issues with the save. Since the portal is web-based, you can use it on any device, including iPads and iPods, by downloading the WebAgent app, or you can go to the site http://portal.lphs.org on an Android-powered device. When you finish this module, please keep the portal open and click the Home button at the center of the bottom of the portal screen.